Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an interesting product for ladies. It is Essential Collection Brush Set from Nude by Nature. The name itself tells us this is an essential item for makeup. Who doesn't like to wear makeup? Of course, makeup is mostly everyone's favorite because it makes every woman more beautiful and stunning instantly within minutes. Come on, let's see what's inside this. I'm going to open this. It is a collection of 7 professional makeup brushes. Wow, these are all high quality brushes made of ultra soft synthetic fiber. They are as good as natural hair brushes. The barrel of each brush is in a stunning rose gold metallic finish to look stylish even when applying the makeup. Each brush is labeled to avoid confusion while doing makeup. This helps me a lot because I get confused which brush I need to take for which application. All the brushes are looking alike except some. So the names on the brushes will definitely help all the women to choose the brush wisely for makeup. Let's see the brushes one by one. The first one I'm taking is Kabuki brush. This is useful to apply foundation or any pressed or loose powder. It's very soft and actually I can feel the softness. This is our next brush and this is the powder brush. Use this to apply any pressed or loose powder. Next is concealer brush. Use this to hide dark circles, blemishes and imperfections. Look, it's all labeled to ease the brush selection while doing the makeup. Next is the eyeshadow brush. This is to apply and blend eyeshadow. Next one is the eye blending brush. This is used to smudge eyeshadow in the crease of your eyelid. Next is the eye defining brush. This is useful to blend eyeliner or apply eyeshadow close to the lashes or brows. Last one is the lip brush. This is useful to apply lipstick, lip gloss or lip balm. These are definitely must-haves for flawless complexion. This is ideal for beginners to professionals. This has got 2016 Pop Sugar Australia Health and Beauty Award for Best Beauty Tool. This also has got 2018 Beauty Haven 5-star Tried and Tested Award. This comes with fox leather rose gold zip case for organizing in a stylish way and for easy storage of your fundamental set of brushes for makeup. This is perfect for home and this is also easy to carry for travel. I like this essential kit and this becomes one of my favorite essentials in my wardrobe. So don't look for buying the brushes separately, instead buy this bunch. I hope this video is helpful to choose and use the best products around you. Please like, share and subscribe. I will talk to you all soon in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.